DOGELON Mars holders are increasing quickly. So if you look at the DOGELON Mars holders, they've been increasing very, very, very quickly recently. And as you can see, we've had a nice pump here on DOGELON Mars. So it was 25% earlier. Right now, $18.8 million in 24-hour trading volume, which is pretty big considering their market cap is 124 million. So there's a lot going on right now at DOGELON Mars, up 23.5% in the last 24 hours, up 61.8% in the last 7 days, up 77.2% in the last 14 days, and up 75% in the last 30 days. So DOGELON Mars is doing extremely well. It's probably one of the best performing cryptos right now inside of the crypto space. But that's not the only thing that's happening. DOGELON Mars holders are also increasing. As you can see here, the price is increasing as well. We'll look at the technicals a little bit after this. But as you can see, as the price increases, what also increases with DOGELON Mars? Well, the social sentiment, you get some of the people tweeting about DOGELON Mars, a lot of people making memes with DOGELON Mars. So you're just getting a bunch of social engagement here with DOGELON Mars. But that then translates into holders. If you look over here, this is Ethereum scan, Etherscan, and that's 144,000 holders. So that's 144,957, right? And if you look at this 2 weeks ago, DOGELON Mars holders were all the way down to 144,696. So that's roughly a few hundred people there that went and bought DOGELON Mars pretty much within like the last 2 weeks. And if we really want to break it down inside of the last 4 or 5 days, DOGELON Mars has gotten about 200 holders alone in the last 4 or 5 days. That's just on Ethereum. Remember, they have a bunch of bridges. So you can look over here at Polygon scan, and this is DOGELON on Polygon, right? And this is 22.6K holders. That's 22,692. And 2 weeks ago, they had 22,385. So this one roughly had got about 300 new holders on Polygon alone, and about 300 new holders on Ethereum as well. And then we're also seeing the same thing kind of goes for Binance as well. If you look at Binance, 13,022 holders. And then 2 weeks ago, we had 12,913 holders. So this one was about 100, a little over 100 holders for the Binance one. And then for Chronos, we can't necessarily see because they don't have a chart for us. They just have that, they just have the holders. They don't have where the holders came from or anything like that. So we can't really see when it comes to Chronos for that. But we can see that a lot of new people are coming into DOGELON Mars, a lot of new faces. So yeah, you're going to see a lot more people purchasing. If you actually look at the transactions, the transactions have also sped up for DOGELON as well. So people are also going in, doing that. They're trading it because, they're trying to get some good gains here. So we can see a lot of different people, and you got to think about it. A lot of people on exchanges, it doesn't show all their trades for the exchange, right? But for the people buying on decentralized exchanges, it's showing all of their trades. So this tells you that a lot of trading is going on in centralized exchanges for DOGELON, and those might not show up for these wallet addresses. So there could be even more than what we imagined for DOGELON. But that's just what I believe here. Let me know what you guys think about this. Do you think that it's going to continue to pump? And as for the prices here at DOGELON, we have just now hit the support here. The support is all the way down here at the 2180. I want to say it's around 2185, but that's that Fibonacci level down there. And that's pretty important because we're at 2252, give or take. And that's 6 zeros. So 6Z2185 is where that support is. And then 6Z2252 is where we're at now. And as you can see on here, like on the RSI, we've already crossed at the top of the RSI. And typically when that happens, we always have that pullback here, as well as hitting the top of the momentum wave bands for the chart prime technical indicators. You can see how we're riding on the wave down here, but we're slowly but surely inching down to that next level there. And then, we're going to be trending right below that Fibonacci sooner or later. That's what it's looking like. And also looking at the RSI, it pretty much shows we should be having a drop coming down here to this momentum wave band. So we might break this Fibonacci area here on DOGELON, and then we could come back down to this area here. And then you could probably see more increases coming inside of the near future here for DOGELON. So I think the price is probably going to continue after this. So it's only a matter of time. If we look at it from the 4-hour chart, which is a lot different if you look at it, it kind of looks crazy here because looking over here at the RSI on this one, it shows that it's already going down. It's already inside of its decreasing moments. So it's probably not going to go down by that much before it starts to go back up. So like I said, it's looking like it's going to stop down here at this Fibonacci, and then it could start to go back up from there. It could, but we'll see what happens from there. But we're definitely having a little bit of a pullback right now. But yeah, this is pretty good. Pretty good gains here. We could easily take off from here and continue to have more and more gains. But yeah, let me know what you all think about this. Go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. If you want these automated trading indicators, definitely come over here and check out the Chart Prime link in the description. Best trading indicators out there. And as always, I'll be back with another video.